In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms and surveys on Typeform. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting research, or simply interacting with an audience, Typeform provides a user-friendly and dynamic way to do this. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Typeform website. It's always a good idea to bookmark this page for easy access in the future if you plan on using it frequently. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, Typeform offers a straightforward sign-up process that you can complete within minutes. For those of you with an account, simply click the Login button at the top of the page and enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Typeform workspace. This is your starting point where you manage all your forms and surveys. In this workspace, you'll see an option that says Create a Form. Click on that. This part is quite exciting because it's where your creativity begins to play a role. Once you click Create a Form, you'll be prompted to select a template or start from scratch. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to select Start from Scratch. This gives you full control over the questions and the flow of your form or survey. Now, it's time to add your questions. Typeform makes this easy by allowing you to choose from a variety of question types, such as multiple choice, short text, or even rating scales to suit the needs of your survey. Just click Add a Question each time you're ready to input the next one. As you add questions, think about the logic and flow. Typeform offers options to add logic jumps, which means respondents will only see relevant questions based on their previous answers. This makes the survey not only more engaging, but efficient for the participants. Once your questions are set up, you can move on to customizing the design of your form. Typeform provides a host of design options that allow you to match the form to your brand's style, or just make it more visually appealing. This includes changing the theme, font, color, and even adding images or videos. Taking a few extra minutes to tailor the design can make a big difference in response rates and completion rates. After all these steps, your form is ready to be shared. Typeform provides a link that you can distribute via email, social media, or embed on your website. Make sure to test your form to ensure everything works perfectly, and make any necessary adjustments before sending it out for respondents to complete. And there you have it, a quick, effective guide to creating engaging and interactive forms with Typeform. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel equipped to start making your own forms and surveys. Thank you for watching.